What is content writing? Content writing involves creating written material for websites, blogs, social media, and other digital platforms. The main goal is to engage the audience and convey information effectively. Flexibility and convenience. One of the biggest perks of content writing from home is the flexibility. You can set your own hours and work at your own pace. Blogging. Bloggers can be independent or write for companies, sharing their knowledge and insights with a targeted audience. Strong writing skills. You need to be able to write clearly, without fluff or unnecessary words. Your writing should be easy to understand and hold the reader's attention. Tools like Grammarly and Hemingway can help you improve your writing by checking for grammar and readability. Building a portfolio. A portfolio showcases your writing skills and gives potential clients a taste of what you can do. Job boards. Websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and ProBlogger list content writing jobs. Isolation and loneliness. Combat this by scheduling regular video calls with colleagues or joining online communities. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for more details.